Alright guys, thanks for checking out Stormtopia.com, the Stormtopia.com Facebook page for a daily weather update right now. Of course, looking towards a wide-spanning destructive snowstorm for a large portion of our nation. Basically, what's going to occur here is a low is originated out of New Mexico, going to head to the southeast, bringing warm and moist air with it. Then it's going to interact with a cold high here across the northern United States with a cold front that's currently pushing through the southern New England area with that dominating high pressure, and in between the two, a disruptive swath of snow will form from Kansas to Oklahoma, central and southern Arkansas, central Mississippi, northern Louisiana, including the city of Shreveport, and northeast Texas. Many areas on the order of 6 to 12 inches for accumulation, although it's going to be difficult storm to forecast for. Then what happens is the surface low ends up getting crushed once it gets around eastern New Orleans and transfers its energy to a new low which redevelops east of Georgia, strengthens off the Carolina coast. Track is undetermined, but right now anywhere in the white looks to have a swath of disruptive snow, and especially in anywhere in the white could be disruptive snow, but especially in here is where I'm getting worried. Probably looks like 3 to 6 inches for those areas. My snowfall accumulation map, it does look, as of the way things are looking right now, like a widespread dusting to at least up to 3 inches here from basically Wildwood, New Jersey southward, or Richmond southward, Dover southward, although there is a little bit of a snow hole expected in the Charlotte area. We're going to get to that in just a bit, but I can show you my accumulation map. Again, dusting to 3 inches for just about all those areas. Your heavier swath of snows from central North Carolina into the outer banks, 3 to 6 inches of snow, with isolated areas getting up to 7. Although that would be a tough thing to do by the things that look right now. Probably 3 to 6, maybe isolated higher spots. Again, dusting to 3 inches for the rest of the folks, isolated higher spots. Now, getting to some of the models we have, and this is the 12Z run of the NAM, or this is actually the 18Z run of the NAM, which I suppose would be just as good. And you can see what happens here. If I can make the map move, there we go. There is a low coming across. Here you see the surface low. Here it is at 0Z on the 10th. Here it is at. Here we are. This is crucial. Here it's 6Z on Thursday. Here's your low weakening, but here's low number 2. Where's low number 2? Here we go. Low number 2 strengthening. And then that brings a swath of snow up in here. Now there's the potential that they get a swath of decent snow, including bands off the ocean, that would give you 3 to 6 inches. Or you might just see a little light swipe, kind of a glancing blow. Now I can show you what some of the models have in terms of snowfall. This is the 12Z NAM. Not quite a swipe, right? Spread 2 to 4 inches here. Basically, where I have 3 to 6, it is 2 to 4, so I might need to down my accumulations, but I'm not into doing that quite yet. The GFS 12Z run, not happy in terms of snowfall. Maybe dusting to 2 or 3, but that's just about it. That snow hole over the Charlotte area, that's what I was talking about. Looks like once you get east of the Smokies, until you hit that precip field of the storm, east of the Smokies, nothing's happening. Alright, that's the other thing. So we're just going to continue to watch the storm and get the latest developments and relay them back to you at Stormtopia.com. Have a great day.